Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new hair related video. It's been a while since my last hair tutorial and I suck at hair tutorials. That's why you rarely ever see them here. But today I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair. And if I can do it, then you can too. I am horrible when it comes to anything hair related. So the fact that I can do this means that anyone can. So the main star of this tutorial is this hair dryer from Revlon. This is the one style, I don't even know what it's called. You'll see the text. I'm really bad at product placement, but this I bought earlier this year at Ulta. It's been a complete lifesaver. And well, first of all, it's made blow drying my hair so much easier. I can kind of style it. You can see some curls in here. It's made it so quick and easy for me to do it. So I highly recommend this. It's worth every penny. It's not very expensive either, so you can buy it from Ulta, Target, Walmart I think carries it as well. I know Amazon you can get it. I will link a few websites where you can get this down below, but I really do like it. Obviously I have shorter hair, my mom has longer hair, my neighbor has longer hair. They can use it, I can use it. So yeah, this is going to be the main star of this show. I also use, of course, a hairbrush. I like to keep it on the smaller side because I do have bangs, but you can use whichever hairbrush that you want. This is from Sally Beauty. In terms of styling products, I've been able to cut it down to just 2 products from VERB. This is the VERB Ghost Oil, which I bought during the Sephora VIB sale. It's kind of like a do-it-all serum. I really like it because it's not super oily feeling and it's not too silicone feeling. Like it doesn't leave like a silicone film type of. Sometimes when you get those cheaper hair oils, you do feel like a very greasy, slippery film, and it doesn't do that. So I've really been enjoying this. Bought it, like I said, during the last Sephora sale, and I've used a little bit more than half, so just 1 pump is more than enough, even if you have a lot of hair like I do. And then the other product that I've been using, which I've been absolutely loving, is this VERB Ghost Prep. So this provides hair moisture, it deals with frizz, and it also is a heat protectant. So truly a multi-purpose product. It's a very lightweight cream, just sinks into your hair very nicely, feels very nice and nourishing on the hair, and it's kept my hair in pretty good shape because I do blow dry my hair maybe once a week and it doesn't feel like straw, so that's really good. So yes, I feel so it feels so great to have cut down all the products I used to use and now I just use 2. I am a VERB affiliate. These 2 were purchased by me, but I am part of their affiliate program, meaning that you guys can get 16% off VERB products. These retail for $16, so it's a good deal, and I will get a kickback if you use, you know, my link down below. So if you're interested, check it down below. But I am a big fan of these 2. Both of these products. The Ghost range is really nice, so highly recommend those. At the end, once I'm done blow drying my hair, sometimes I do follow up with 1 extra pump of this, but other times I will go in with a hair texturizing spray. I do have the VERB one, the sea salt one, which is very texturizing. So if you really want to rock very, you know, rockerish messy hair, you can go for that one. But if you want something a little bit smoother, a little bit more bouncy, shiny, then this guy is really nice. This is from Target. It's from KRISTEN ESS. This is the Soft Shine Beach Wave Spray. So it's a non-drying, softening, shiny spray. That's what I use. But now I think I've talked quite a bit. So now let's get started on the tutorial. Before we begin with the tutorial, I need to remove my towel, and I use Turkish towels. I always get so much crap about towels, but Turkish towels are very thin and they're made out of cotton. So it's the equivalent of using an old t-shirt. They're not going to damage my hair. It's not a terry cloth fiber. So I'm going to quickly detangle my hair before I apply a pump of the VERB Ghost Oil. Just 1 pump will do it all. It's very silky, very hydrating. I've been really enjoying it. Like I mentioned before, I bought this during the fall Sephora VIB sale and I've only used half of the bottle, so a little goes a long way with this. Next up, I'm going to use the Ghost Prep.
This is a milky, creamier consistency. It contains a heat protectant. It also helps with frizz and to help retain moisture in your hair. I've been loving this thing. I even use it on my hair when I don't use any heat styling products. If you need a little bit more, you can always apply just a tiny bit more. So now that you heard the 3 settings in the blow dryer, I'm going to begin with the high heat setting. If you have thinner, more fragile hair, then I would just stick to the low heat setting. My hair can stand the high heat, so I'm just going to keep the high heat on. Just be very careful that you don't touch the metal part of the brush because it does get super hot. I burned myself a few times and I still haven't learned from that mistake. But I start by just, first of all, focusing on drying the hair. I do sections in my head. I'm not the best. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm just a hair noob. So I do a few sections. For my bangs, I like to just blow dry them one way and then doing it the opposite way. Then at the very end, I'll just take my small hair straightener and just really tidy them up. But I can just get them dry with this thing. So now I'm going to start focusing on giving it a little bit more bounce while also, you know, drying my hair. So for the areas that are close to my head, I do like to focus the brush outwards. So I'm blow drying outwards. That's the way I see hairstylists doing it. So I try to do what they do because they're the professionals. So from start to finish, it takes me around 10 to 15 minutes to get my hair dry and styled, which really isn't that long. Sometimes when I would try to do it the older way, you know, with a regular hair dryer and then going in with a hair straightener, it would take me so much longer because my hair would get super tangled and then I would have to wait for my straightener to, you know, heat up. So this has saved me quite a lot of time. To get some curls into your hair, I just start twisting the brush. And I'll keep twisting it to dry and twisting a little bit more. You'll see it kind of swirl right on top of the brush. That will give you the curl. It looks really cool actually. I didn't realize how cool it looked until I was editing this video. But yeah, that's how you get a curl. It's really easy, but you just have to learn how to maneuver that really huge brush head. But once you get past that, then it becomes really easy to create curls in your hair. So for someone who's not super good at hair, there is a learning curve to this, but I mean, by like the 3rd, 4th time that I used this hair dryer, kind of got the hang of it, so I was able to do it much quicker and also not be so sloppy. So for the back of the hair, I really don't care too much, so I'll usually do just one curl and then mess it up with my fingers. Now I'm applying the spray from KRISTEN ESS just to give my hair a little bit more shine and also a tiny bit of hold. This is not as strong as a hairspray, but you know, keep it looking nice for a few days. Alright, so that's pretty much it, how I blow dry and style my hair. If I can do it, you can too. Trust me.
And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions regarding the blow dryer, the styling products, I will be more than happy to help you out. But if you're brand new, please take the moment to subscribe to my channel. I will be recording a video regarding what I use to take care of my hair. Obviously, I have a very different hair type than the last time I did one of my hair routine videos. So this upcoming hair routine video will be for dry, damaged, color treated hair. So if you fall within those realms, then this video might be for you. But be on the lookout for that. Subscribe so you don't miss out on that video, and I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye!